What's going on, everybody? I'm here with part two of the Toon Chaos Booster Box opening here. Guys, uh, we didn't get so lucky the first time, but you know what? Believe in the heart of the cards and keep trying, guys. Never give up. You already know. Hopefully we got two chances, so that's why this is the part two. I figure the video was so long, might as well break it into parts. Hopefully you guys stay tuned and watch this part as well. Definitely gonna be epic. You guys, I got three more coming in, three more chances. Let's get this cracking. Oh man, Toon Chaos, guys. Yeah, always. Still not used to this. All right, guys, let's get this right on. This will be my number 3. My third booster box, guys. Third booster box opening. Awesome. For the first pack. First pack of destiny. And also I wanted to say, can we reach 100 subscribers? I'm going to be putting in work for the next few weeks. More videos coming up. Hopefully everybody stays tuned. And I hope you enjoy the content. Let's get right to this. Oh, man. Okay, different card. Okay. And Valkyria sign. Sigron. Valkyrie Sigron. Okay. We're gonna do this, guys. We're gonna crack all these puppies open. Hey. Mass Hero Acid. Okay. These two boxes come from Arizona. Some toy company. Forgot the name of it. Hopefully one of these days I could get sponsored. And one day. Hopefully when I get my subscribers real good. But I appreciate everybody watching and staying true. Curse of Dragonfire. Wow. Nice. Toon Terror. Terrible. I'm just kidding. Let's get it. Can we get it? Can we pull a collector's rare, guys? Can we do it? right fur. Oh man, they need to get rid of that. No, I'm just kidding. Kidding again. All right, guys. Repetitive packs. Don't you guys agree? I feel like this is Eternity Code all over again. The search for the Starlight, the search for the Collector's Rare, Chaos Valkyria. All right, guys. Toon Terror. Once again. Probably got more than a set there. Okay. Can we make our money back, guys? The other one got a few. The two ultras that I pulled in the last video were worth a little something. Not that bad. But I did not make my money back. Oh, baby. Yo. Oh, man. Toon Blackluster Soldier, guys. Wow. Oh, man. So epic right there. So epic. Wow, guys. I gotta sleeve this one up. One sec. I'm so sorry. Just a moment. Please stay tuned. Please stay tuned for these. You get it? Toon Blackluster Soldier. Oh, man. Wow. Okay. That's something. Got something, baby. What? That's crazy. I can't wait for the other three to come in. I believe they come in tomorrow. Hopefully, tomorrow I should be posting I think 2 more videos. Hopefully. Wow, that was crazy. I still can't believe it myself. I really wanted that card too. Come on, baby. Can we do it? Nope. Oh, man. Believe in the cards. We are right here. Even. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, I believe. 7 packs already. Number 8. Lucky number 8. That was lucky number 7 for real, though. Oh, no. Number 6, sorry. Number 6 was the lucky one. Number 7 was the Chaos Valkyria, whatever. Can't pronounce that one right, man. Let's get it, guys. Oh, I didn't do a card trick, did I? Yeah, now I don't even remember. I think I did not. Yeah, I did not. Let's get it. Toon, Harpy Lady. Let's see if we could keep this epic. We still got so many chances. You guys ever feel like this is like almost like gambling? Because you never know what you're going to get. Love it. It's kind of addictive though, you know? Wow. I love doing this. I love making content for you guys. Definitely enjoy every second of it. This is so epic, guys. Can we do it? We got another Ultra, baby. Chaos Daedalus. Daedalus. Wow. We did something. We did something, guys. We must have woken up the Yu-Gi-Oh gods. Let's see what's cracking in here. Let's see what's cracking, guys. Chaos Space. It's like a $6 card. Pretty cool. Okay. These Chaos Spaces are saving me some dollars. Make some back. I want to travel around the world and do this. This would be amazing. Okay. Ah. Yikes. All right, guys. Okay, let's continue here. Can we do it, guys? We already got 2 Ultras. And they were pretty sweet. Can we keep the luck going? Let's see. Okay, moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. Magician of Hope. Okay. Number 75. Collector's rare evading us, guys. Evading. Wow. Who would have thought? Got a Toon Blackluster Soldier. Something. Yikes. Yikes. Okay. Okay. Let's get it. Come on, baby. Come on, acid. Get out of here. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay. Getting kind of nervous now. We're running out of packs here. This is literally like gambling. Oh, man. I'm surprised I got a miscut or a misprint. Infernal Knight. Yeah, we got 3? Hold on. Did we just get 3? Yeah. We just got 3. Oh, man. We got 3. Wow. Oh, wow. Can the heart of the cards continue? Yo, continue to guide us. Continue. Let's get this, baby. Wow. We got 3 ultras in this pack. Wow. I heard if you get 3 ultras, you got that 1 chance. Okay, baby. Let's get this stuff. 1, 2, 3. These packs feel cold to the touch. I mean, these cards. But can we do this? Can we do this, guys? Nope. Nope. Evocator. Or however you pronounce it. I'm sorry, I don't know. 4, 6. Oh, baby, we got 6 packs left. Ooh. Okay, we got chances. We got some chances. Heart of the cards. Out of 15 collector's rare, and I still have yet to find one. Okay. Curse of Dragonfire. Chaos Space. Okay, guys. Still got some chances, guys. Still believe in the cards. Believe it. Wow. Okay. Yikes. Yikes. Every time I see this guy, it's like, no, get out of here. I'm sorry. Just kidding. That's crazy. I was trying to find my Buddha for some luck. But couldn't find him. We needed Buddha. I think my wife placed them somewhere. Got my Buddha from my grandmother before she passed away. But anyway, let me get right back to it, guys. So lamination nights. Yikes. Yikes. Can we do it? Can we pull a fourth ultra? Out of this pack. Out of this booster box, I mean. Okay, I think I already saw the last card. Yikes. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe we still got a chance, guys. Because I got 2 packs left. Okay. 2 packs of Destiny. Are you saying? Oh, they were stuck together. Okay, okay. I thought they were like glued on, but they were just stuck. Okay. Wow, guys. I want to thank everyone for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Help this channel grow so I can keep making epic content for you guys. And I love this community. I love the positivity and all the support everybody's shown, and you know, ooh, microcoder, awesome. Okay. Last pack of Destiny, guys. Oh, we almost went out of frame. Sorry about that. Got too excited. and nervous at the same time. Let's get this last pack of Destiny. Can we do this? Okay. The moment of truth. Number 75. Bamboozling again. I'm just kidding. Throw some jokes out there. Alright, guys. Here's our pools. Toon Blackluster Soldier. Infernal Knight. Renaud. Chaos. Daedalus. Whatever. Daedalus. Can't pronounce that right. And then from the last booster box that I opened up, from the part 1, I only got 2. And the part 2, I got 3. So, hey, up the chances, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody. I hope you enjoy this content. Stay tuned for the next unboxing video, guys. Peace. Peace and love, guys.